Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this AI note-taking platform, which is Notion and Firefly. So to get started with quick analysis, Notion in 2025 remained a top pick for all one productivity. It combines note-taking, database, task management, and collaborative workspace in one customizable platform. Users love its clean interface and how easy it is to organize content using templates, link page, and database. Notion is ideal for individual students and teams looking to build structured systems for planning, writing, and project tracking all in one place. Then talking about Fireflies, on the other hand, is built around AI-powered meetings transcription. It joins your calls, record the conversation, and instantly generate a searchable transcript memories and summaries and action items. While it's not a general note-taking app like Notion, it's excellent for professionals who attend frequent meetings and need an automatic, accurate record without typing notes manually. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms. You'll be decide which of these will be a better option for you. So you can simply go with Notion if you want a flexible, all-purpose workspace for note planning and collaboration. And on the other hand, you can simply choose Fireflies if you are focused on automating meetings, note, and summary with minimal effort. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platforms and how you think they can help you automate your meeting. And that's it.